Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about my Java project. My project provides a basic inventory management system where users can add, update and delete product information from a table. So in that project I did I did my design in there, and I use in that buttons in there, and from labels and panel, and where can I see? Yeah, table. I use table in there. Oops. And for that part, that's that's it only. And I change the variable names in there, in that parts too, and in that part too. So in my source codes in add product code, I use for the if condition in there. Why? Because I want to make add product in, so I have a label in there too. I I want to make my add the product in product name, category and price in there, and I have a, how can I say, I will show you in the in my project part. So, and in that part, which part? Add product, yeah. In that part I use if conditions in there, and if the name get tx trim equals dot and space in there, and it says the set txt, then the product name cannot be left blank when you not write anything in there. Else, if you write something, it's going to be right in the part 2. And in product update part, here I use if conditions again. So the product table, if the 0, if you didn't change the anything in that part, if you didn't change the anything part, the contain empty in there, and else in there, please product update in there, else the product has been updated successfully. If you change your product, update your product. In the delete product, if you want to delete your product, so I use for this code, and this code is going to be makes that part like that, and please select item and delete, and the product success deleted. So that's why. So let me let me start the program. Let me run the program. Okay, here you are. For example, my product name is fish, and we can only have 3 options in there. Food, category is food, price, 100 Turkish lira. No, you can, okay, it's okay. That product, book, let me make 140 Turkish lira, and font is going to be, yeah. So you can add your product and list your products in there. For example, I made a mistake in there, so I want to change the category because I made a mistake. So in that part, we click on there and food product update. That's it. The product has been updated successfully. If you do, for example, I didn't change anything in there. So what is going to be the product? Oh, hold on. It didn't change anything right there. So in that part, for example, you wanna oops, product update and okay. In that part, for example, you wanna delete your product and click on that. The product was successfully deleted. That's it. That's a really simple my Java project in there. And in that part, one thing in there, I changed something in there too. How can I show events? Not in there, sorry. Not in there exactly. Hold on. Yeah, in that table part, I write that code for when I click the something in there to update my product. So I write this code in there too. So that's it only. Thank you for listening to me, by the way.